very beautiful video of Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas have been shared on social media. That is getting viral on social media. That is a very romantic video. Both were looking into each other's eyes so romantically and both were holding each other's hands. Yes, guys. The new video of Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas is getting viral on social media. Both were looking so much romantic together, and their beauty, elegance was seen in the new pictures and video. They look so much pretty together. So Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas' new beautiful viral video has been shared on social media.